Hey everybody, what is good? Finally, another video. I know you've been waiting. Just kidding. I don't really know if you've been waiting, but if you have, that's pretty cool. But hey, my name is Vanessa. I go by cutcreaser as well on Instagram and Twitter. If you don't follow me on those already, you probably should. This is completely inspired by the makeup artist on Euphoria. Their Instagrams are right here, just in case you want to see them. If you haven't seen their Instagrams, you probably should. Like, what are you doing? Like, hello, they're talented. Anyways, I'm getting really passionate about them. I don't even know them. But anyways, if you've seen Euphoria, good on you, because it's an amazing show. But if you haven't, you definitely should. If you don't have an HBO subscription, I'm pretty sure it's online somewhere. Don't tell anybody, I told you that. I posted this look also on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably should, because you should go check that out. And if you want to see how I got this look, then I mean, keep on watching. Oh my god, that was so embarrassing. I did this look on July 17th. Yeah, Lime Crime reposted this photo, which is really crazy. Oh my god, because this is literally not even me, but okay, no, I'm playing. I'm recreating a look from Maddy. This is in episode 2 when her friends are like teasing her about being freak nasty in the pool. So yeah, I'm literally doing that look right here. Yeah, neon eyeliner, I live for it. So yeah, let's get into it. So when I do these recreations, I just take a gander and a guess on what they used. And that's before I realized that they had Instagrams and stuff. So I found their Instagrams and then I realized what they use, and they use certain products that I personally don't have. So I am using products that I have. So they're not the exact products that they use on Euphoria. So yeah, I'm getting kind of sick. So if I sound weird, it's because I'm getting sick. So yeah, I'm using the Lime Crime Venus palette. This is the only type of shade of blue that I have in my collection, so I'm definitely using this one. It's exactly the kind of periwinkle tone that she has on her eyelids. And then for the eyeliner, I'm using Dose of Colors Hot Fire. This is from the Desi and Katie collection. This is so old, but I don't care. This is just a neon orange lipstick, so maybe a liquid to matte lipstick can work for you if you have like a neon orange type of lipstick. You could actually use like a neon orange liner instead of being innovative like me. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Yes, we live for it. She's a little bit drying, so I put concealer on top before I started the video. So I'm just adding like just a little bit of this, and I'm just gonna take my ring finger and just dab it on. I'm gonna use this shade. This is in the shade Filter. I'm gonna pack the eyeshadow right on top of this brush and just go ham with it. I'm focusing this eyeshadow right on top of my lid and not in my crease, so I'm starting right there. So the way I'm applying this is on my lid, but then I'm going right into my eye socket, and then I'm gonna start swiveling back and forth. If you hear that in the background, that's the train. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. Oh my god, this looks so funny. I'm gonna use a little bit of the shade Believe. It's really deep purple. I'm gonna dip in a tiny bit, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna jump into this white eyeshadow headliner. I'm just gonna start deepening up this crease part. So it's gonna look a little bit like more of like a periwinkle in the crease instead of just the light blue. I'm just depositing this color first, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a different brush. I'm going back into Filter, and then I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics blending brush. It's like a pretty thin blending brush. I'm taking that, dusting this blue into my crease to diffuse that purple. So now that you have the blue, it's ready to be covered by the red lipstick that I'm gonna use. So yeah, just literally putting some right on my hand. I'm gonna start to create the wing now, and I'm gonna start to create it from right here. And this is where like the lower lash line starts to end and meet the upper lash line. So I'm gonna go right from underneath and just extend the line like that. And then once that's done, okie dokie. Now we got two wings on. Yay! Now I am going to start to line underneath right here, and then I'm gonna start doing the inner corner liner. But I'm gonna just start to fix up a little bit of the blue that I noticed is like a little bit messed up. Take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, ooh, a throwback. So what this does, it just opens up my eyes just a tiny bit, and it just does that effect for me. So yeah, I'm going to start lining underneath. So I'm gonna look up at my mirror from above and just start lining right underneath. So now I'm gonna start lining in the inner corner, lining right there in my tear duct. Okay, so I finally applied my Anastasia Beverly Hills. It just like rolled off my bed. And this is what is on my face, and this is what I'm usually wearing in most of my pictures on Instagram, if anybody was wondering. This is literally the best highlight ever. I can finally apply some damn lipstick because girl, she is not looking cute. I'm gonna be applying a little bit of Ashton by Anastasia. This is the liquid lipstick. I'm gonna be applying this like around my lips just to line it up. Kiss the back of my hand so the excess Blistex is gonna come off, but like the minty feeling will still be there. I'm gonna rub the lipstick in instead of applying the lipstick with the applicator. And then I'm gonna take the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in Honeycomb, and it looks like this. It's just a nude lipstick. I love it because it's super moisturizing, and yeah. So now you have the perfect nude lip, well, for my skin tone, but you know. So let me take off these little clippies because these are my Jules clippies, and I like to differentiate the looks between Maddy and Jules because I like to do their looks specifically. I feel like their looks are always like really eccentric and just, I don't know, they're really eye-catching. I'm gonna apply these clips right here. I'm saying apply like they're makeup. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Okay. So, yep, this is it. This is the look. How do I look? Like a doofus. Okay, if you want to see a look that I haven't done on my channel yet or done a tutorial on Instagram yet, definitely comment down below and tell me what look you want to see next. I am going to get on it like as soon as possible, so definitely let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next from the Euphoria series. But if you want to see anything else besides the Euphoria series, because you might be tired of it by the time you see this, so just let me know what you guys want to see next. It's gonna help me out a lot, and it's gonna bring you guys some content that you guys deserve. Okay. Yeah, so you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and yeah, just subscribe if you want, and if you want to see some more, definitely subscribe. I mean, why wouldn't you? That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But if you want to see some more from this guy, you can click right here. I'm pretty sure you missed it. If you didn't, well, you should watch it. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's right here. It's really convenient. Just click it. Like, why are you still here? You can click it.